I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's a glossy black cockatoo. Sounds a bit like a pterodactyl. And I don't know what that noise was. Righto.